I cannot believe I loaded all that on my bike. Now for the real test. Tonight, I'm headed to Ellison Provincial Park, right on the edge of Okanagan Lake. One of the few places close enough to reach before dark, but far enough to escape city glow.
Make sure the choke is off. Little bit of clouds. Hopefully those blow away.
The only problem, it's the night of the October supermoon, the harvest moon, one of the brightest full moons of the year, which means shooting deep sky objects is basically the worst possible idea. But I've got a few tricks up my sleeve to try to cut through that moonlight.
So much weight!
Broadband targets are off the table, so I'll be going after narrowband emission nebula.
Road closed. What?
This is also my first real test hauling a full deep sky rig, completely loaded on the bike. The DRZ is pushing 87,000 kilometers.
Guess I missed the detour sign.
So anything could go wrong, from mechanical failure to forgetting a single cable, clouds rolling in right when I'm ready to shoot.
He's riding too.
The spot I picked at Ellison, I've never scouted it. No idea what the sky view looks like, could be wide open or completely blocked by trees, but that's part of the fun. We'll find out when we get there.
Pretty sure.
Well, this isn't exactly what I hoped for.
Oh no. Damn it.
Beautiful spot right on Okanagan Lake, but it's completely surrounded by towering pine and cedar. No clear view of the sky
Wait.
in any direction.
Maybe up there will do.
For deep sky imaging, that's a death sentence. If there's a patch of sky, no matter how small, I'm gonna find it.
We just got the okay from the park operator to set up our telescope anywhere. I think I'm gonna set it up right up there on those rocks. It's got a pretty good shot of the sky. That is if the clouds don't come in. We'll find out.
Setting up the tent and laying out the gear, tonight's different. I've never tried deep sky imaging on a full moon, let alone a supermoon. Everything has to be in place, the rig ready, because any mistake could ruin the night. I don't know how the sky will look from here, but if I can get even a small patch of darkness, it could be enough to capture something meaningful. This is the first real test of the full deep sky setup on the bike, and I'm hoping the plan pays off.
Do I set up here or do I set it up there?
I set up on the closer bluffs. The sky isn't perfect, but for tonight's target, it'll work. Plus, I can control the rig via ASI Air Wi-Fi, which wouldn't be possible farther out.
Skies are looking nice. Except for all the trees.
My secret weapon tonight is the Optolong L-Extreme Narrowband filter. It only lets through hydrogen alpha and oxygen 3, cutting through the full moon glow for a chance at meaningful images.
Go do some polar alignment here. A T. Alright. Trick is small movements. Make a tiny adjustment. Check your error. You want that number to go down to be as close to 0 as possible. I'm happy with that. Test exposures. First we gotta find Veil Nebula. Get ready to stop. That just cleared. Alright, this is our first test exposure, 60 seconds long. There's a lot of moon, so might not get much. Oh, no way. That's our first exposure, and that's gonna work nice. Let's run it. Let's do it.
My first 60-second test exposure of the Veil Nebula actually looked promising, so I bumped it up to 3 minutes. With the ASI Air set to auto run, it was time to fill up my water bottle and head to bed. After I got home, I spent hours sorting through each image, rejecting the ones ruined by clouds. After all the uncertainty, all the planning and hoping, all of it, for this.